What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my page. It's Infinite Magic, and I'm back with
Rissy of Rissy TV.
And y'all seem to have really liked our burping challenge, man. So we decided to go ahead and do a part 2.
Oh, yes.
I'm going to go ahead and attempt to burp this time. We already know she's probably going to demolish me, but it's okay.
We're going to give it a shot.
We're going to give it another shot. We got the same amount of time on the phone. We got...
Actually, I think we added a little bit.
Yeah.
It's a minute 30 instead of being a minute. I decided
yeah.
She needs just a little bit more time. So...
Ooh, mine was way better, bro.
Anyways, cheers.
You didn't even freaking press the timer, you cheater.
Oh.
Ready, set, go. Nothing. That was whack. That was so weak. That was weak. Do better. Don't fucking throw up.
No, that one.
That's all you got?
You haven't even fucking started.
Don't get there. I think it's a soda. The soda's lightly carbonated. What's your name?
Yeah.
Why'd you sit it like this? He said, oh my God.
Mac. Lip glass.
Oh, my stomach. If you need any burpers on your show, please feel free to contact Rissy TV.
There's a bubble that won't go away, so I have to like burp big enough in order to get it out. I know I've done this before. It sucks.
It would suck if I just threw up.
No, that's not it. Please.
Well, y'all, that's all we got for part 2. As y'all see, I lost again, man. I cannot burp on command.
She will never
Or
win.
even with the assistance of a squirt. So...
I think it's coming. Oh, fuck me. Ah! Yes! Oh, the pain is gone. Oh, thank God. I am so sorry. I did not know it was going to be that big. I swear to fuck. Oh. I had to spit it out. I'm sorry. Thank God I got caught on camera.
I'm crying. That's the largest burp in the world. It's just like you fucking...
Right now, my stomach, you can press it in now.
Oh my... Did you not hear how fucking loud that was? I'm sure. It's like the fucking thunder outside. It's all like she started up the fucking, like, the fucking weed cutter, like the fucking lawnmower or some shit. Like...
Oh, shit. Oh.
Oh. Oh. I thought stomach hurt then, y'all. It's really hurting now. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Yet again.
Turn on the bell so you don't miss another video. And we'll be back with part 3. I think she's done for today.
Yes. That shit took my life.
We out now. We